Hey everyone! Welcome to episode 2, the process of cold pressed pineapple juice and lollies. Just look at that sweet liquid gold from the humble pineapple. Let's start by giving the pineapple a haircut. Twist the tops off by grabbing the pineapple and twisting the top in the opposite direction. Here is a pro tip for you. Use a slip mat or silicone mat for under your chopping board. This prevents it from sliding around while cutting. You will need a large, sharp knife. Take your pineapple and get ready to cut. Watch his fingers curl up while he cuts the top. Cut them into strips or battens, like this. Next, cut the pineapple in half. Cut down the middle into the core. We don't want the core because it is too hard. Cut out the core into a triangle. Cut the soft flesh from the core. Another pro tip is to use the knuckle slide while cutting, like this. Watch his grip. More knuckle slides. Now you are ready. Get out your slow juicer. We are not using a blender because a blender adds heat when it extracts due to the friction of the blade. This just presses the juice out with the screw attachment. This isn't sponsored, we promise. Here is where the scraps and waste comes out, and here is where that amber nectar drips from. Feed the pineapple slices into the juicer. Watch those fingers. The last thing we want is a missing finger. His hands are the main reason I'm with him. Can't wait for a glass of that. Continue to juice it all. And yes, it is pineapple. I had some too. This mould can make 6 lollies. He totally bought this because it is orange. Here is another pro tip for you. Use your index finger to control the flow. This helps to be accurate when pouring. Stick the handles in and you're ready to go. Place them in your freezer. The following day, or at least after 24 hours. Here we are. Now you are ready to take them out. Run the lolly under warm water for a few seconds, turning the mould around under the water. Try bending the holder, and once you feel it come loose, pull it out. He has a good pull-out method here. And there you have it, a naturally sweet pineapple lolly for any given summer day. Low in fat and contains vitamin C, a great way to get your dose of antioxidants. And yes, if you are wondering, he literally taught you how to make ice, but tasty ice.